Are you struggling with earwax buildup? Discover the best earwax removal services in Milton Keynes. In this video, we showcase the top clinic in the area, Hearing First Milton Keynes. Specializing in microsuction, they provide a safe and efficient method to clear out earwax. Microsuction is the gold standard for ear cleaning, offering a quick and painless solution. At Hearing First Milton Keynes, located at Joint Solutions, Challenge House, Sherwood Drive, Bletchley, MK360p, United Kingdom, their team of professionals ensures you receive the best care possible. Booking an appointment is simple and hassle-free. Just visit their website or give them a call at +44 800 133 7987. Experience the best earwax removal service in Milton Keynes and say goodbye to discomfort and hearing issues. Why choose microsuction? This advanced technique uses gentle suction to remove wax without the need for water, making it ideal for those with sensitive ears. The procedure is performed by trained specialists, ensuring your ears are in safe hands. Hearing First Milton Keynes is renowned for its exceptional service and state-of-the-art equipment. Their commitment to patient care and satisfaction is unmatched. Whether you need a routine cleaning or have specific ear concerns, they are here to help. Don't let earwax buildup affect your quality of life. Book your appointment today and experience the relief and clarity that comes with expert ear care. Visit their website at the link provided or call the number to schedule your visit. Join the many satisfied patients who have benefited from the best ear cleaning services in Milton Keynes. Hearing First Milton Keynes is dedicated to improving your hearing health with professional and reliable care. Watch the video to learn more about the benefits of microsuction and why Hearing First Milton Keynes is the top choice for earwax removal. Your ears deserve the best care, and this clinic delivers just that. Stay tuned for more informative videos and tips on maintaining ear health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and recommendations. Thank you for watching.